Yes, sir. YouTube. What's happening with it, man? It's your boy TRAVYJ. Back at you with another one, man. Hope everybody's feeling good, feeling great out there today, man. Top of the week. Happy Monday to everybody, man. Hey, let's go and kick this thing off right today, man. I want to talk to y'all about a couple of pickups, recent pickups that just touched down, man. Had a couple of sneaker app W's on last week. They came home over the weekend, so I want to unbox these and share them with y'all today and let y'all know what I picked up. Second of all, we're going to talk about these Ferrari 14s real quick. So, word on the street, man, that these are super limited, and I'm gonna just tell y'all right now, man, don't play with them Ferraris, man. I got all my raffles locked and loaded, ready to go, and I'm gonna just be honest, man, I'm ready to go ahead and pay that resale if it comes to that, man, because it ain't looking too good out here, y'all. I mean, I'm hearing stores is only getting like 12 to 24 pairs. I mean, most stores that I'm hearing right now are only getting one size run, so just be ready, man. If you do not put in your footwork, you're not getting these. I'm just gonna put it out there, man. I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but sometimes I gotta be the bearer of bad news and just let you know. If you do not put in your footwork, leg work, whatever you want to call it, you will not be getting those Ferrari 14s. So do your due diligence, get out here, man, put in the leg work, put in every single raffle that you absolutely can. One gripe that I do have, Foot Locker. What's going on, man? I mean, y'all only doing ship to me options now? On a shoe like this, y'all only want to do ship to me options. Make it make sense. But I put in my raffle anyway, you know, put in like 20 head starts because I need those, man. You know what I mean? Hopefully that works because I need them, man. Like I said, that's a lot of head starts putting in 20 on those guys. And usually I only reserve those head starts for stuff like Kobe's and just super limited releases. But fingers crossed, man. Sneaker gods, I'm gonna need y'all on this one. But anyway, man, just long story short, put in your footwork if you want the Ferrari 14s. I believe that's all that's coming out this week, man. I think that's the big release of the week. I know the following week, on next weekend, we got the return of the OG Great 5s. Need 2 pairs of those, no doubt about it. Never owned that shoe, so I'm very excited for those. I've owned Ferraris before back in 2014, but I sold them because they were too big. I had a 9.5 in those, and I really just prefer that size 9. You know what I'm saying? That 9.5 is just sliding off my foot, and I just need that exact fit. So hopefully those come to the house for retail this weekend. I'm gonna keep y'all posted and let y'all know. Hopefully I can get some vlog action in this weekend. The weather has been crazy the last couple of weeks in Atlanta, raining non-stop, so the weather just would not let me be great, but if all prevails, you'll be seeing that this weekend. Hopefully we'll be doing a pickup vlog at some point. But anyway, enough of the Ferrari talk. We'll cross that bridge this weekend when we get to it. Let's go ahead and dive into these unboxings. But before we dive into these unboxings, y'all better know what I need y'all to do. Go ahead and hit that like button, tap that subscribe button as well, and while you're at it, go ahead and head over to Instagram, look me up and give me a follow over at Mr. TRAVYJ. That's where it all goes down at, man. The on-feed picks, the outfit of the day, anything sneaker related, any kind of sneaker content, that's where you'll find it all. Once again, Mr. TRAVYJ on Instagram, give me a follow, and it'll truly be greatly appreciated. All right, y'all, with all that out of the way, let's check out these unboxings, all right? Let's get it. All right, y'all, first off on the list, I've had this shoe for almost 2 weeks now. Definitely wanted to bring it to the channel just to kind of give y'all a quick glimpse of it. A lot of people weren't really checking for these like that, but as a collector, this is one that I had to pick up. So as you can see, you got your orange Nike box, you've got your Nike branding in white in the top right-hand corner. Got a vintage look to it. So as you can see, you got some scrapes, bruises, scratches, whatever you want to call it, all around the box. Got it looking pretty beat up there. So just to kind of give it an old look, you know, an old vintage feel. But let's go ahead and pull the lid off and get inside the package and see what we got on the inside. As you can see right here, you got a pamphlet right here. And what does it say? You got that Nike check and you got that prime time on that guy, man. You got Deion Sanders' signature right here on the bottom. And as you can open it up, it's got an itinerary on the inside of that. So you can pause the video right here, check it out if you want to read it or anything like that. And then on the back side of it, you got the homie Deion Sanders hopping off that PJ, that private jet. And then you've got a younger Deion Sanders at that bottom picture right there. So, you know, dope packaging and everything like that, man. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of the details. So as you can see, you got that brown paper in the inside that reads confidential, top secret, man. You know what I'm saying? So nobody was supposed to see these right here. So this shoe right here, man, this is a what could have been type situation. So we're gonna lift this paper up, and you do have more paper under that brown paper, just another set of white paper on the inside. And let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Actually, let's go ahead and read what we got. We got the Nike Air DT Proto 92. Colorway is gonna be white, black, university red, went with a size 9. You know, on your diamond turfs, you kind of want to go up half a size just to give you a little bit more room, a little bit more cushion, you know, light on your feet, you know what I'm saying? But today, guys, I want to present to you, yes, sir, we got the Diamond Turf Protos, man, the prototype guys. So as you can see, it's pretty much a predominantly white shoe. And let me go and pull the other one out of the box real quick, and I'm gonna give y'all a quick glimpse. I'm not gonna go too crazy on details, guys, because, you know, it's not really much to see. It's pretty much an all white Diamond Turf with a couple of changes on it. And I'll get into that in just a second. But as you can see, you got a pretty much all white Diamond Turf without the black accents, without all the black accents on it. And the biggest difference that I can see is the Nike check on the side panel right here. And then the second one is going to be the Nike branding across the strap there. So on the final finished product, the Nike check is going to go here, and nothing is going to be on the side there. Same deal on the back. You've got your Nike Air branding with your black pull tab, and you've got a white, not a white, but a red sock liner on these. Still got nice premium leather. You've got your neoprene material on the tongue right here. It goes all the way up. And on this pair right here in particular, it just says prime time. So on, you know, the last couple of releases of the Diamond Turfs we've been getting, it's been saying 21, 24, giving its football number and its baseball number. But this one, it just says prime time. So, you know, key differences there. Pretty much other than that, it's all the same. You know, like I said, it's a predominantly white shoe. You got a couple of black kits here, and pretty much on the bottom of the shoe, guys. Everything else looks the same. Like I said, it's just, oh, you got a gold post on the black, on that back pull tab as well. So I forgot to talk about that. But other than that, y'all, that is pretty much it. On the left shoe here, you've got confidential. And once again, you can go ahead and pause the video right here if you want to read what it says. But pretty much looking like a sample tag on there, if you will. So, you know, just little dope key pieces right here. And real quick, I'll go ahead and show you the final finished product. And this is what we ended up getting instead. And hands down, I definitely prefer what we got. You know, this one right here, the prototype, is just pretty much a really bland version of what we actually got. They added a little more pizzazz, a little bit more pop to it, and I'm loving it, man. I mean, they added a lot more color to it, and you know, these came out beautiful, man. These actually came out really, really good. So I'm definitely happy with it. But as a collector's piece, you know, I will add these to the collection as well. You know, like I mentioned, this is just pretty much what could have been, you know, if they decided to go with this. But I think the version that we got is absolutely 10 times better. You know, just pretty much, you know, a couple of key differences, nothing too crazy on it. Honestly, to me, the only big differences is this Nike swoosh on the side and the Nike branding across the strap right here. So y'all comment below and let me know how y'all feeling about these. Was this actually necessary? As a collector, like I said, I wanted to go ahead and add them. I'm a fan of the silhouette. And, you know, these were pretty easy to get. I take that back. They actually sold out pretty fast on Sneakers app. I actually grabbed mine from a site called Exhibition up in Ohio. So, yeah, that's how I came to get these, because they sold out really, really fast on the Sneakers app the day they released. So, but these are cool, man. It's a nice, clean shoe. Definitely may not be a must or a necessary for, you know, most people. But like I say, as a collector like myself, you know, I'll be happy to add these to the collection. So Diamond Turf 92 prototypes. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. All right, y'all, next up. If y'all remember, last week we had a little shock drop action go on. I shouldn't even say shock drop. Exclusive access. Little exclusive access going on from a shoe that's probably released 3 or 4 times now. I actually got them already. This was a double up, and it wasn't an intentional double up, should I say. I just did it for the fun of it, just to see if I would hit. I actually got exclusive access, and I went for it, I hit, but I would not be keeping these. I don't need a double up in this shoe. So I do have a size 9 for sale. If anybody's interested, hit me up on Instagram and I would definitely get you right. But as you can see, we got another pair of the Union Air Jordan 1s. I'm back. And let's go ahead and peel them out the box real quick. If y'all remember, they came individually wrapped, so let's go ahead and get them out of the paper. And yes, sir, Air Jordan 1 Union, I'm back. You seen them once, you seen them all. Oh no, man, this pair right here might be a little bit more buttery than my other pair. I might have to hold on to these and get rid of the other one, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this leather is actually crazy. Yeah, I'm 100% keeping these. 100% keeping this pair right here. This leather is way buttery, way more buttery than the other one. But anyway, Union 1s. So that's 2 for 2, man, on the Union 1s on the sneakers app, man. I still, once again, I'm gonna say this every time I look at this shoe, I still need the 2 pairs from 2018, man. I need the black toes, I need storm blue Unions. We're gonna have them by the end of the year. I'm telling y'all, y'all wait. By the end of 2025, I will have both of those pairs. So I'm just waiting on that right price, man. But I think I'm gonna go and pull the trigger real soon, because I think the black toe pair is actually the best at its lowest price right now for what I've seen. That storm blue is still up there in my size, but you know, we gonna make it happen regardless. But yeah, another pair of the Unions. Like I said, I would not be keeping this pair in the collection. Still a dope shoe. I just don't need 2 pairs of them. And yeah, I mean, size 9 available. If anyone is interested, hit me on my DMs. I'll get them straight over to you. So Union 1s, touchdown, size 9 available. Holla at me and let me know if you need them. And last but not least, we have a drop on Friday. I actually like this shoe. Didn't think I had a chance, but your boy got him. Nike SB. Colorway is gonna be Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Colorway is court purple, black, white. Went true to size 9. And let's go ahead and see what we have inside the box. So you got your regular standard SB paper on the inside. And okay, getting a little fancy on me, Nike. All right, so these came in like a Ziploc foil bag right here. So as y'all can see, like aluminum foil action going. So I like that, man, to protect them. And we also have a Nike SB sticker inside the box. You pretty much get that with any of your SBs. But let's go and open up the bag and let's see what we got today, guys. This is actually a dope colorway, y'all. And I'm not even really big on dunks like that anymore, but this one right here was a dope one. And like I said, honestly, I didn't think I really had a chance on these, but I tried and I hit. And today we got them. Bam, man. We got the Haley Wilson joints on deck, man. Talk to me and let me know how y'all feeling about these, man. These are clean, y'all. These are clean. Like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of dunks anymore. I've gotten rid of a lot of my dunks. I've probably got like 3 pairs left, but these are absolutely killing them, man. I love this colorway, love the colors and materials that they put on this shoe. And hey, man, y'all check them out for yourselves, man. You know, dope little summertime shoe, in my opinion. They come with a couple of extra laces, man. You got a teal pair, you got like a lavender pair right here, and then they come standard with those dark purple laces as well, man. So you've got Nike SB Haley Wilson on the tongue there, on your black nylon tongue, and on the inside you've got Haley Wilson on the inside with a scorpion on the insole there, man. Y'all check that out, man. Very dope design. And then you've got what looks to be like a mask on that blue translucent outsole at the bottom here. Like, remember those laugh now, cry later masks? That's what that looks like right there. And then just a couple of stars at the top right here, man. So love that translucent blue outsole on these, man. You got a hit of that purple Nike SB there. And this is gonna be the right shoe, guys. Got some old English letters right here on the back where it says Nike. And then you've got like W's going across that black right there. The threading looks like W's. It could be either barbed wire or W's. I'm gonna say it's W's. It look like W's to me for Wilson. So that's what we're gonna go with. But you got a nice black, you know, Nike check going across the side there. Nice plush purple suede on these. And you got like a nice black suede on the middle portion right here as well. So these are clean, y'all. You know, nice materials. SBs always have good, nice material on them. So, you know, not those little cheap dunks that we usually get, you know, like the basketball wise or whatever, but the SBs usually always go crazy as far as materials. But on the left shoe, it says Nike SB on the inside as far as your insole goes. It's got a spider on the left one. You still got your same hits of Nike SB, Haley Wilson on this one. Still the same details on the back here and here on that black side. And on the left shoe, your mask is gonna be at the top and your stars are gonna be at the bottom with your purple SB logo in the middle. So comment below, let me know how y'all feeling about these Haley Wilson joints. Very dope in my opinion. Like I said, you know, for me to come out and grab these and add these to the collection, it's got to be a dope one. You know, I don't really pay attention to many dunks these days, but if it's a dope colorway, I'm going after it, man. And I got lucky and hit on these, and these will be going straight 2 feet, man. Got a vacation coming up, so yeah, these probably gonna be one of the ones that I throw on in my arsenal, you know what I'm saying? But we do have You Reckon on the back tab on the left shoe, and let's see what the right shoe says. Same thing. So it says You Reckon on the back tab on both pairs of shoes. So these are clean, man. These are very clean. Like I say, very nice plush materials on them. I just love that outsole. I'm definitely gonna put sole protectors on these. And I still need the what were those dunks that released last year? The laboratory joints, man. This got like they were teal. They had different colors on them. They were something laboratories, man, but I definitely need those back in the collection still. And there's a couple of other dope SBs that I never really picked up. I like the Street Hawker still. What else? I like Born and Raised, the New York joints. I still need those. So it's a lot of dunks that I still gotta go back and grab. And this probably won't be this year, if I'm honest, because we just got so much from Jordan Brand and Nike this year. So I don't know. It'll probably be early next year when we get a really slow period, and I'll probably go back and add those grails to the collection. But yes, sir, y'all comment below and let me know how y'all feeling about these pickups today. We got the Haley Wilson dunks, we got the Union ones, and we also have the Diamond Turf Prototype 92 joints as well, man. Not a bad selection, like I said, you know, just some things I wanted to share with y'all. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap it up right here. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in, checking out this video. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to check out my videos as well. And you already know I'm gonna be back, same time, same place tomorrow. So y'all stay tuned. Got a special treat for y'all tomorrow. So make sure y'all got the notification bells hit, and I will see y'all on tomorrow, man. But before I go, I just want to let you know, you never get a second chance to make a first impression, so always put your best foot forward. And on that note, y'all stay blessed, y'all stay fresh, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. All right, in a minute.